This video is designed to help you set up your WebAssign account. So you will start off by logging on to webassign.net and you will see this page. From here, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to say, I have a class key. Now the class key will be given to you by your instructor and it is unique to each class, so be sure that you are using the correct one. So it will always begin with UNG and then it will be two sets of 4-digit numbers. So I'm going to enter in one that I know will work. You will enter in the one for your class. And so you will then hit submit. Now what happens is it comes up and it says your class key has been recognized, and it will tell you what class it thinks that you are in and based on that class key. And if this is indeed your class, you will just click yes, this is my class. Now we come to a screen that will allow you to create your WebAssign account. Now, if you already have an account, you have had a math class before, or if this is your second time taking this class, or you have completed your 14-day free trial, you would click on I already have a WebAssign account, and it would allow you to go ahead and put in your username, your institution name, and your password, and you would be complete. You would have already done everything you need to do. Most of you, however, will need to say, I need to create a WebAssign account. So you would click on that radio button and click Continue. Now at this point you would enter in your information for your account. So I'm going to do that for a fictitious student. So I have entered in information to create my account. I have a username and a password. Now be sure that you write these down someplace or make sure that it's something that you can easily remember. Now at the bottom it asks you for your first name, your last name, your email address, and your student number. Now be sure that you are careful filling this out because this is the information that goes into the grade book. And the email address is the one that your instructor will use from within WebAssign to go ahead and send you email, so it needs to go to the correct address. So at this point you will see that I have created my account and it just verifies what my username was and what my institution code is, and now I'm going to click Login Now. Now this screen comes up and you have several choices here. This has to do with your access code that is unique to you as an individual. So if you bought your textbook at the bookstore, then you will have an access code, and you would click on this radio button and it would allow you to enter in your access code. Another option, of course, and one that you should use if you don't have an access code or if you can't quite afford to buy one at this point, and that is you have 14 days to use WebAssign for free before you have to purchase the access code. So if you don't have an access code or you can't purchase one right now, be sure that you say use the free trial period. And then a third option, would be to purchase an access code online. And if I click on that and say continue, it will bring up a window that shows the textbook for your class. Now I'm doing a college algebra class, but it would show whatever class you are doing, and you would say I want to purchase the book and the access code, in which case you would have access to the textbook online, or if you have a textbook, you can say that you just want to purchase an access code, in which case it will tell you what you need to do and it will pace you through it. And that's the end of it, because after this you would actually be logged into your account.